Well, COVID-19 has changed the world with unprecedented impact on growth chain, and also this includes media and entertainment industry. But could these challenges be converted into more opportunities? Information and Broadcasting Minister Prakash Javadekar, in fact, while speaking at eFICCI Frames 2020, he has said that government is mulling over bringing some stops for shooting films in India in the light of COVID-19 pandemic. We have more.
The entire world faces unprecedented challenges from COVID-19, which has broken the chain of growth in every sector, and media and entertainment industry too reeling under the crisis. While addressing the virtual inauguration ceremony of FICCI Frames 2020, Union Minister for Information and Broadcasting Prakash Javadekar said that his ministry will bring a standard operating procedure for shooting films in India in light of the COVID-19 pandemic, and is also set to provide incentives for production to accelerate stalled filmmaking. The minister also stressed on expanding the reach of Indian cinema at the global level.
We all need to work together to make a progress and harness the soft power of India, that is media and entertainment. The first among these is the government is coming up with the standard operating procedure for shooting films in India in the light of pandemic. Further, to accelerate the restart of filmmaking that had come to a standstill as a result of COVID, is also coming up with the incentives of production in all sectors, including TV serials, filmmaking, co-production, animation, gaming. We'll be announcing these measures shortly.
While sharing his thoughts virtually at the FICCI Frames 2020, Minister of State for Finance Anurag Thakur said that media and entertainment industry is likely to emerge as one of the biggest employment generators in post-COVID India. He also laid emphasis on digital media.
The industry is totally dependent on the advertisement, whereas globally, if you could see, the major income comes from the distribution networks or from the payment which each consumer pays. We must align all of these to accelerate and create new avenues of growth and revenue. If we look at the value of global growth or the global market for creative goods, it has doubled from $208 billion in 2002 to $509 billion in 2015. India needs to have a bigger chunk of this pie. While we create volume, we must also create value.
On the occasion, INB Secretary Amit Khare said that government was not looking at curbing anyone's freedom, but for facilitating a level playing field for all media, including digital aggregators, in the context of FDI.
The entire last 6 years of the present government has been focused on ease of doing business and on having less regulation, but more effective regulation. So there we have developed this concept of having a light but tight regulation. Instead of having 200 rules or clauses, if we have 4 of them and ask that you better comply with all them.
So far, more than 80 foreign film producers have taken advantage of the film facilitation office setup. They have got a single window clearance for shooting their films in India. Discussions at FICCI Frames would certainly throw up new and innovative ideas that can be acted upon. With inputs from Shailendra Mishra, News 9 Desk, DD India.